everyone and welcome back. Healthy, guilt-free meals are not only a perfect solution for hunger, but the feeling of clean eating is just so satisfying. While we do enjoy all kinds of food and cuisine, but for us, healthy eating is a lifestyle choice that remains constant. Today, I'll share with you 4 easy to make, simple healthy meal ideas that you can even swap as per your cravings. So let's get started. Initially, I always failed in making upma. It will either go too dry or go too soggy. But as they say, keep trying until you get it perfect. I found my success and here is how. Upma calls for many ingredients and I always keep them aligned while preparing it. That's because every single element gives that perfect aroma and taste to this simple meal. Once the suji mixture is done, you can store this mixture in an airtight container for even up to a month to quickly whisk it whenever you want. These are few of my pre-cooked breakfast options that I usually keep ready. Now let's make this upma healthy. Pick as many veggies of your choice because the more, the merrier. Saute everything well and add some spices as per your likings. Add the prepared upma mix and combine everything well. In my experience, the key to a non-lumpy and perfectly moist upma is the added ghee in the beginning and mixing the hot water in the end. Do this and perfectly moist upma reaches the table every single time. Do you also have any such tricky recipe that you're trying hard to crack? Let me know in the comments, as I'm sure our friends here can pitch in their expert advice to give you the desired taste. I feel elaborate menus are best suited for lunch cooking. This makhana curry is not only healthy but also acts as a breakaway from our regular lunches. Once the preparation is done, it really takes just 10 minutes to cook this curry and the outcome is delightful. Cooking is indeed fun for many, but what excites me more is a flavorful outcome in lesser cooking time. To top it all, if the dish is healthy, then it takes no time to be a part of a regular meal plan. Do give this thought a big thumbs up if you agree with me. Makhanas are a superfood. They are rich in protein, high on fiber and low in fat. So adding them in your diet is an excellent idea. Makhanas toasted in ghee brings amazing flavor, aroma and crunch to these power-packed food. Once oil separates the sides, adjust the consistency of the gravy by adding hot water. Now add the remaining spices and the base of the curry is ready. Once the base ingredients are cooked well, just add these makhanas and mix well. Adding a bit of milk will increase the richness of the gravy and the taste will only get better. Garnish with lots of coriander and this easy, quick and healthy makhana curry is ready. I love to add colors to my plate and since green is missing, I will quickly make mom style turai sabzi. And because it's mom style, it just tastes fantastic. Mom's cooking is not always about the taste. It's the tricks, the style and the method of cooking that brings the best out on any dish. And that's why, while improving on my cooking style, I never miss a chance of going back to mothers for learning the basics. Do you also call up your moms for dishes every now and then? Let me know in the comments. Once all the spices are cooked nicely, just add turai and salt and mix everything together. Turai will take 5 minutes to cook completely, and I will use that time to make cucumber raita. Thanks to the curd maker, I always make homemade curd without worrying about the weather anymore. The raita tastes super delicious and the turai is also done. To give it a restaurant style flavor, I add crushed kasuri methi. With this, the lunch is ready to be served. A plate full of healthy and delicious dishes served with pride and total satisfaction. Ruthvi enjoyed her so-called popcorn sabzi a lot, and Karthik and I were drooling on the overall plate. I will say another lunch done right. Adding seasonal fruits to our daily diet is very healthy and a great snacking option too. So evening snack is this tawa roasted pineapple with a hint of spices just to bring a little twist to this healthy snack. Simply smear some butter and add a mixture of cumin and red chili powder right before roasting the fruit. Butter will add a good flavor and the spice mix will balance the sweet and sour flavor of the pineapple. Add some honey to give even better caramelization. I use caramelized fruits in my oatmeal recipes as well. And after pineapple, apple and banana are our next favorites. 1 minute either side and healthy delicious snack is made in a jiffy. Serve this hot and spicy roasted pineapple and enjoy the juiciness till it lasts. Eating healthy dinner at the end of the day brings the day to a satisfying closure. Pad Thai noodles is that one bowl meal which always sounds tempting to me and my family. A food full of colorful vegetables is very appetizing. However, at times, chopping too many veggies together can feel like a task. So, I either turn on a great podcast or listen to some fun music and double up this work time as my me time. And to top it all, some kitchen tricks to make this load a little lighter. The entire magic of a great Pad Thai is in its dressing. So prepare the dressing before starting the dish so that all the flavors blend well. Once the preparation is done, it's all about cooking veggies one by one. In my house, it's usually Indian lunch and any experimental or international cuisine in dinner for a change in palate. But I wonder how it works with other homemakers. Do you also follow the same pattern or is it the other way around? Do reply in comments to answer my curiosity because I will be waiting. For this healthy Pad Thai, saute all veggies for not more than 5 to 6 minutes to retain the crunch, and then add the dressing to the sauteed vegetables and mix well. I added little ginger to the dressing at the end to get its maximum flavor in the dish. And lastly, add noodles of your choice. Ta-da! Healthy and delicious dinner recipes done. Just add some spring onion greens, coriander leaves and lots of crushed toasted peanuts right before serving. Do give these recipes a try for a change and I assure you, you will not regret a bit. And if you recreate any of these yummy dishes, don't forget to tag me on Instagram as I can't wait to know your opinion. Lastly, a request to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until next time, stay tuned and let's chat more in comments.